Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if an error occurred while starting Roblox on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. First thing I recommend to do, actually you go ahead and restart your PC guys. Sometimes simply restart can fix the issue guys. For that, go ahead and restart it. Click on restart, and after getting restored, hopefully that can able to resolve a problem. But if still having problem, go to search menu and type network reset. So this problem cause of network problem as well. Network reset, type in network reset, click on open. So this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software after that, such as VPN clients software or virtual switches. Select the reset now and select reset yes, and it will be shut down in 5 minutes guys. You just go ahead and manually restart it. After getting restarted, if you still having a problem, let's move on to the next solution guys. For that, go to search menu and type installed apps, click on open it. In install apps, you just need to search for Roblox or Oblox. You just need to select the Roblox app and select the three dot icon, select advanced option, and you just need to scroll down guys. Select the repair option. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't it be affected. Click on repair guys. After getting repair done, you go ahead and check whether the problem has been resolved or not. If you still having problem, you can also reset it guys. If this isn't working right, we can try to reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select reset, and this will permanently delete the app's data on this device guys. Select reset. After getting reset done, we just want to close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After getting restart, you should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved at this point. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.